And joining us now to talk about health care reform is Congressman Kendrick Meek.
He held a roundtable discussion on the controversial issue this morning at his office in Miami Gardens, and he'll hold another meeting tonight. Good afternoon, Congressman Meek. First of all, please tell us what you're hoping to accomplish with these different forums today.
Well, we want input. I want to be able to hear from the people here in South Florida about how they feel about health care. Today we had a great discussion with community health centers that will give a health care home for those that will be insured through this process. I feel that health care reform will pass, but it's important, unlike any other time, I think in any recent time, that we've had federal policymakers that have gone to their constituency and said, we want to hear how you feel about this health care reform package. We know that it's necessary. We know that there are parts of the bill that people do not understand. There are 4 different proposals that are out there. The work is still yet undone, and I'm glad that I'm having this opportunity.
Well, Congressman, you've seen the meetings all around the country where the protesters have shown up and they've spoken out at those meetings. At your meeting tonight, what happens when one of them stands up and questions you about some of the myths about the health care reform package that's out there, and how do you plan to handle that?
I will answer those questions. You know, I used to be a state trooper back in the day, and I'm used to dealing with people that may not understand what the reality is. And the reality is the fact that over 3,500 Floridians are losing their insurance every week. We have individuals that can only spend 8 days in the hospital before they have to file for medical bankruptcy. We want to deal with those issues. We have small businesses that can't even afford or get insurance for their employees. So I want to hear that input. I'll try to answer questions to the best of my ability. This bill is undone, but the input will make me a better congressman. We have the biggest hall that we could possibly get, 500 seats in the William Lehman Theater at Miami-Dade North, and I'm looking forward to it.
All right, you say it perfectly. There's so much work to still be done with that bill, and a lot of people have something to say, whether they don't have insurance or whether they do. Congressman, we look forward to covering your meeting, and we want everybody to be reminded that town hall meeting will be held at Miami-Dade College's North Campus.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. That address on your screen right now, 1380 Northwest 27th Avenue in Miami Gardens. The meeting starts at 6 p.m. tonight.